Whew. Feeling the burn. I think it was quick enough. I'm still, oh, no, there it is. Okay. A little bit in the heel. Less than I thought, though. So, we just finished photographing some HDR shots, some nice Alpenglow shots, the sunrise coming up through Rocky Mountain National Park, and I'm super excited for the way these photos turned out. It looks like we have a fork in the road here. Let's see where we're going, make sure I don't get lost. Okay, we just went from Lake Hayaha, and we are going to Dream Lake, which I believe is this way, so keep heading this way. Hopefully we'll find Dream Lake. That'll be another video for another time, but hope you guys enjoy some of that time lapse and bracketed HDR shots. Some of the awesome shots, you know, out at Lake Hayaha. That was just a lot of fun. A nice waterfall coming up here. Little stream. All right, so just past that little creek, little glacier runoff, pretty cool stuff. And the sun's just kind of creeping through. You can probably see it on my face. But we should get some pretty cool shots of Dream Lake before we completely lose golden hour. So right now, let's see, what time is it? It's about 6:30 in the morning. We woke up today at 1 o'clock. Sorry, I woke up at midnight. After a quick nap and a couple hour drive to the park, drive into the park, and a couple hours of shooting to catch that 5:30 sunset. Oh man, it was worth it. Definitely worth it. So you really just can't beat these views. Just everywhere there's little rivers, and Rocky Mountain National Park is gorgeous. If you guys ever get the opportunity, highly recommend it. This is gorgeous. Get over this little log here and make our way up. Get a little lake view. Oh yeah, this is phenomenal. This makes waking up at midnight after I'm running on about 2 hours of sleep. But this is amazing. Such a gorgeous view. And taking photos of this view is just absolutely, it's amazing. I'm trying to spend as much time out here in Colorado, taking advantage just as I can. It's fantastic. So let's keep on moving our way down to Dream Lake.